So here we have the Porsche 911 Turbo Cabriolet, as you can see. This vehicle is in fantastic condition. I'm going to show you around the car. We'll hop in and I'll show you the dashboard controls as well. But as you can see, when we walk around this vehicle, it's just pristine. And you wait to see the mileage when we hop inside the car. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. Not only is it a fantastic colour, as you can see, but these seats, they look like they've never been sat in, which will make sense, as I say, when you see the mileage on this vehicle. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. And the first thing that I'd like to draw your attention to are the total miles for this car, which are a frankly staggering 3,259 fully documented miles. We have the clock on the far right hand side. As we move around, you can see the rev counter with the turbo boost gauge. We have our oil temperature, battery level, fuel tank and oil over here. The steering wheel, which looks as good as it did the day that it came out of the factory, as do the pedals, as you can see, as good as new. All of the carpet, fantastic condition throughout. Over into the center, we have our heating controls, the stereo system, and down below, the climate control settings as well. The driver and passenger seat are both fully electronically adjustable in this car. We have the 4-speed manual gearbox, as you can see, and then further ventilation controls down here as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see this car for yourself, or you have any inquiries, please feel free to get in touch using the contact details listed in this advertisement for the car.